What is up, people? How are you? I don't know if you are audible or not because trucks are going just by side of us and it's too noisy. I really don't know how we are gonna do this part of the vlog because it is really messy, so you can't really hear me. And yeah, it is my birthday today, so we are gonna go on a small location in Lonavala, which is actually a resort, and the resort is owned by my good friend. So we are gonna show you around how the resort is actually. The place is really good because we have seen the pictures and we are really impressed by the pictures. So we are going to opt that resort for our special day, we can say. So let's go, let's see. So basically we are here for a small stop because we have to do the breakfast and everything, and lunch is gonna be at the resort. So let's see how the day goes. So now we are in the car, we are getting ready to go. Let's see how it goes. Lonavala, here we come. Whoa! So after 1 hour long drive, not actually that long, because this place is so accessible and it is too near from the highway, so it is too accessible, and that is the best thing. So here after 1 hour long drive, we are here, and this is such a beautiful place. I will just show you around. Kingwood's Resort. This place is so beautiful, yeah. Like, look at the place, look at the nature, flowers and everything. Just beautiful. So this is the place when you wanna come and chill, have a break, and wanna just chill out, wanna play with some kids, your family. And if you are a bike enthusiast, say no more, fam. You have an Intruder here, Ducati Diavel, Suzuki Hayabusa here, and DJ Nights if you wanna have some more fun. The classic 500 Bullet, as you can see. No, it's a classic 350. Actually the owner has 500 one also, so I just got confused by that. And this is the Java, as you can see, such a mint condition, like you can see everything like a mirror. Best. And these are two useless people that ain't gonna hide a reality. So this is the R1. Basically you can see some carbon fiber sort of treatment over here, and 4 exhaust. Best. Honda Goldwing, as you can see, Honda Goldwing. And I really forgot what is this. I think this is the Bajaj Chetak. I really don't know. Bajaj logo right here. But this is such a beautiful place, as you can see. Coming over here, I am feeling that I am relaxed a bit because this environment is so good. And as you can see, if you want to have food, you can have food just aside the bikes. Such a beautiful view. That's if you want to throw a party or something. And let me show you the another thing. This is the another area of here. This is the kids play area, as you can see. And this is the tents. If you wanna stay in a tent, you can also opt for that. And plus there are luxurious room also over here, so you can directly put on the Google. It will show you the rates and everything. You can call them. And yeah, if you wanna do marriages, if you wanna do some events also, you can do that over here. So yeah, this is the place so far, and we are gonna have some more fun. So oh my god, okay. So basically, if I turn over here now, the light will ruin my eyes only. So yeah, we are in Lonavala. So we are planning to go somewhere else also, but this place is so beautiful that I don't wanna go any further. Like if you're a gym guy and you had to miss your gym because you are coming over here, Say no more, fam. So, gym guy, you are here, and more of the things to watch. This is the backside of the resort. Rooms, if you wanna see. Beautiful trees. This is room number 3, dorm 3. This is written dorm 3. And yeah, you get everything, AC, heated water, if you wanna have a bath and everything. So this is a cool place here. Like trees and everything are so good, so special. Really feels nice and good. And basically coming over here, I have felt so good because the staff over here is also cooperative, and this place is really accessible from the highway itself. Like you can hear the noises from here itself. Like there is a highway over there, and it is just like 2 minutes from highway. So this is the view from here. So far, this is the play area, I guess, or the fountain area. This is the place you wanna have chill, wanna have fun. So basically these are the rooms, very beautifully detailed, like flowers here and some kind of swans over there, as you can see. So rooms are directly over here. Deluxe rooms are starting just from here. Man, this is the place if you wanna have chill. Please come over here. The staff is really good and everything is really good. So दोपहर को हमारा lunch भी है, तो we were actually planning for brunch today, but वहाँ पे हमको बहुत भूख लग रही है. हमने ब्रेकफास्ट इधर कर दिया, तो लंच अभी करेंगे. तो लंच करने के पहले थोड़ा सा घूम भी लेंगे, तो देखेंगे क्या है. चलो.
Trouble with love is.
So guys, actually we just went over Lonavala to buy some chickies and everything, because Lonavala is actually famous for chickies. Yeah, bit of a drive right now, and this place is so beautiful that I really forgot to show you the cinematics. So here are some cinematics. Let's just enjoy the day.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We're gonna light it up now. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up just
So basically, guys, as you have seen the cinematics of the videos, and this is the place when you wanna have a fun day, plus you wanna chill with bikes. So you can see Buza. There are many another bikes over there. So you wanna have a lunch and have a refreshed day. You can come over here because there are many places you can book your places. So guys, actually we had our lunch right now and the food was so amazing. Sorry we couldn't shoot the video of food or anything because the food was looking so delicious. We can't really stop ourselves from eating it. So the food was actually amazing, and there is one thing that I want to show you. Let's see. Let's see this one. Yeah, Blue Lagoon. Actually, the thing I want to show you is the bar over here. Beautiful. Many brands over here, as you can see. Let's just go and check it out. So basically, you have this Royal Strike, Barrel, Select, Sula, 100 Pipers, many brands. So if you are a brand lover or the wine whiskey lover, you can anytime come over here, have a great chill here. You can shoot, you can do anything, you can chill whole weekend out. And I would really recommend that to you because sometimes you have to take the break that you need in your life. You always rush for everything, but you don't have a chill. Back home, guys. Yeah, I'm back home and they went really well. Thank you for all of your wishes and thank you the owner itself. I will add the Instagram link of the resort and visit that place. You have seen the videos and it is pretty exciting place, so please do visit that place. So please share the video if you like it. The location is really good, so you should share the location also. So share the location, share the ID, share the everything. Please like, share and do subscribe my channel Kling Vlogs, and more content will come sooner as we will shoot everything. So stay tuned, stay safe and enjoy your life and do whatever you want. So let's go.